Hello guys, my name is Arslan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve a new LeetCode question that is largest positive integer that exists with its negative. We will be solving this question guys with the help of Python. So just before starting to solve this question guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Moving on to the question, let's read out the question. Given an integer array nums that does not contain any zeros, find the largest positive integer k such that minus k also exists in the array. Return the positive integer k. If there is no such integer, return minus 1. Okay, so let me explain it to you if you haven't understood this question. So basically what they are saying here is that we have to return the pairs. First of all we have to check for the value of k, and the kth value is the maximum value in the array such that it should have the pair of minus k, meaning that if there exists a value of k, maximum value of k is equals to 3, so it should have a value of minus 3. Similarly, if there is a maximum value of minus 2, then in the array, then it should have a then the maximum value should be plus 2. Similarly, if there a maximum value of maximum value of 100 in the array, then the corresponding value of minus k should be minus 100. So if there is no such pair in the array, like example number 2, if you see here, there is no such pair. Sorry, example number 3, there is no such pair, so we have to return minus 1. In this pair there is 1 and minus 1, so we have not chosen this because this is the not the maximum value. Maximum value is 7 and minus 7. This is the value of k and this is the value of minus k. So how gonna we approach this question is we have to choose two pointers. First pointer would be our I and second pointer would be our j. So let's make some comments here that if nums is equals to, if I just sort this, first of all I have to sort the nums and in ascending order, in increasing order, then what I will be getting here is that in an array I will be getting minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, 2 and then 3 again, not minus 1, minus 3 and 2. So this is the array I will be getting here. This is the list actually I will be getting here after sorting this array. So after choosing the two pointers method, I will be choosing here I and this will be my j, and I will starting from I and checking till j, and if these two matches then I will be returning this number, and if it does not then I will just simply return minus 1. So what I will be just doing here is I will just start from I is equals to 0 and j is equals to nums len nums. So what basically I'm doing here is I will be starting from here and starting from here, from both the points I will be starting, and then I will just check from here and from here. If these two matches, then I will just return this maximum number, and if it does not, then I will just shift my index to this position and then also shift this position to this index, and then again check it. If it is match, then I will again shift. If it does not match, then check for another, and then keep on moving, keep on shifting until I get the answer. And if I do not get any value, then I will simply return minus 1. So let's start, let's begin. First of all I will be just nums, I will make it in an ascending order, nums dot sort, and then I will just create my I and j variable, saying that I is equals to 0 and j is equals to L, and L is equals to len nums. So this is my method I will be just applying here, len nums minus 1, because I have to because this is the length and indexing is indexing would be 0 1 2 3, but the length is 4, so I have to make sure that it does not have range out of index. So now I will create a while loop while I is greater than 0 and j is less than equal to L, uh, L minus 1, and then I just have to actually it should be I should be greater than L, because we have to start from here till L, so it should be I should be greater than means I should move from here to here till L, length of L, and then I have to also change this here as well. J should be greater than equal to, sorry, less than equal to 0, and if these two conditions are true, if you can put brackets here if you want to, but I don't think so that it will make any difference, but for a cleaner code you can do it. Now I have to check if what condition I have to check, that if minus nums I would be our this, so if it is minus nums I is equals to nums j, then return nums j, because nums j is the maximum value as we already know, and because this is the nums j value and this is the nums I value, so I have to check for that. If nums I minus nums I is equals to j, then return me nums j, else if minus nums I is less than nums j, then we have to shift the value of j, we have to shift the value of j, then j minus is equals to 1, else we have to shift the value of I, and if this is not happening, if either of the condition are not true, then return me minus 1. Let's run it and check whether what we have done so far. So there is some error coming up here, let me check what actually they are saying. Okay, so we have made some mistake here, let me check. So guys, what mistakes we have made here is that first, because this j should be greater than equal to 0, we got confused here, means I have just made mistakes in just putting I and L range. Let me make it clear to you that basically we are starting from I here, so we have to move from this to this, from here to here, so we will be just moving I to here, I to length, that is length of nums, then it should be 0, ij should move from the length of the array till the 0th index, so that's why I have made that's why it's showing incorrect, that we have already put the true value there, so it will not, because if and while I put this value, it is already a true value, and if I put this value, this is false value, sorry, this is a true value, so j is already this, and when this is true, it will just follow, and when it's false, then it will exit the loop. I hope it makes sense now. Let's run it and check for an answer. And again it's showing an incorrect value. So let's check what we can do. uh, 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 J. So simply create a while loop here. While I is less than L and J is greater than equal to 0. So what I have taken here is that I starting from I is equals to 0 and it till the condition is false. So the condition will be false after it reaches I reaches the length of numbers, that is my L, and J will reach the condition to the false when it is equal to means it when it's a negative value, means a negative index of J will return us a false value. So while these conditions are true, just give me the output if minus nums if minus nums I is equals to nums J, then return me nums J. Why nums J? Because if this condition means this minus nums I is equals to this jth value, then return me the maximum value, since they are asking us the kth value. So kth value will be nums J. Good to go. Now else if minus nums I, if it's less than nums J, then shift the value of J. For shifting the value of J, we have to decrease the value of J from here till here. So we will just decrease the index of J by -1 on each iteration. And again L if this is not true, then shift the value of means minus nums I is greater than nums J, then shift the value of J I. For shifting the value of I, we have to increase the value of I plus is equals to 1. And if these conditions are not true, then just exit the loop and return me -1. Now let's run this code and check for that what we have done so far, and see that it has been working fine and it has been working nice. So this was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood this question and hope you have liked this video. If you guys still have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. We will try to sort it out. Thank you guys for watching this video out, and see you next time.